Hello everybody and welcome back to Make Money Now. 2017 will forever be remembered as a year of the cryptocurrency. It was a year that saw the market capitalization of the industry rise from 18 billion to 800 billion in 1 year window. Bitcoin, the current benchmark in the cryptocurrency world, gained over 1,300%. However, it wasn't the best performers as others like Ripple gained more than 36,000%. The correction that followed in 2018 saw a pullback in the market capitalization of the top 10 cryptocurrencies to around $200 billion. However, this period heralded the rise of cryptocurrencies, and till date, the number of crypto enthusiasts continues to swell. Are you a budding cryptocurrency investor or trader? This piece contains all you need to know on how to buy and sell the most popular cryptocurrencies, as well as the lesser-known options with great potentials. But before we get into that, welcome to our channel. Tap that red subscribe button down below and make sure you hit the like button as well, because that helped us reach more people like you that want to find out about these amazing apps. We would appreciate that. Make sure you stay as you don't want to miss out on these amazing ways. Number 1, Bitcoin. The list of best cryptocurrencies to invest in cannot start with a different cryptocurrency than Bitcoin, the world's most popular cryptocurrency. In fact, the popularity of this digital currency is one of its biggest advantages against other players in the market. As long as Bitcoin continues to dominate the cryptocurrency market, investors will always benefit from high liquidity levels. Even during periods of market uncertainty, over the years, Bitcoin has shown a volatile yet consistent growth. With the Bitcoin halving 2020 around the corner, the community expects Bitcoin to soon approach new historical peaks. Number 2, Ripple, XRP. Third cryptocurrency by market capitalization, but second in our ranking, Ripple, XRP, is among the most promising investments in this list. Its solid technology and network are rapidly opening new opportunities in the field of international commerce, banking, and payment networks. Remittance giant MoneyGram has received over $11 million from Ripple in 2019 to use its blockchain technology for payment solutions. MoneyGram continued to expand its strategic partnership with Ripple as the first money transfer company to scale the use of blockchain capabilities, the company wrote in a press release. MoneyGram heavily relies on Ripple on-demand liquidity, a product that runs on XRP. Institutional interest is a key factor behind the bullish XRP 2020 forecast. In February 2020, European money transfer service Azimo announced it will also start using Ripple's on-demand liquidity to increase the speed of customer transfers. The list of companies using Ripple services goes on and on. Experts believe 2020 will result in a higher adaptation of XRP, and therefore its price will increase significantly. Number 3, Litecoin, LTC. Cryptocurrencies tend to seem obscure and complex to those who don't understand the underlying technology, but Litecoin was created to help fix that. In fact, founder Charlie Lee wanted to create the light version of Bitcoin and developed a cryptocurrency that could play the role of silver to Bitcoin's gold. Lee did just that with Litecoin in 2011, creating a cryptocurrency that adopted many of the best features of Bitcoin with some twists. For instance, while Bitcoin transactions take about 10 minutes to confirm, Litecoin transactions are far faster, taking under 3 minutes. In addition, while it takes specialized hardware and impressive raw computing power for users to mine Bitcoin, Litecoin has much lower system requirements. In fact, ordinary PCs are capable of mining for it. Faster and easier is a powerful combination for users and investors alike. 4. Ethereum, ETH. One of the main philosophies behind cryptocurrencies is the decentralization of currency. Ethereum takes that a step further. Rather than decentralizing money, Ethereum's goal is to decentralize the internet by replacing servers with a worldwide system of nodes, creating one computer for the entire world. Ethereum is a software platform based off blockchain technology in which users can exchange a cryptocurrency called Ether. Ether has become one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world, with a market cap around $40 billion that puts it second only to Bitcoin in market share. But the real draw is the platform itself, which has become widely popular as a host for other cryptocurrencies. In other words, not only do investors profit from one of the best and most popular cryptocurrencies on the market, but also from the wider uses of Ethereum itself. Number 5, Binance Coin, BNB. Like Ethereum, Binance Coin is much more than a cryptocurrency. As a matter of fact, Binance Coin was originally hosted by Ethereum until the Binance Decentralized Exchange, or DEX, went online in 2017. The Binance DEX is a platform much like Ethereum, albeit with a different mission. The Binance DEX is a decentralized platform where users can not only buy and sell Binance coins, but can also use BNB to convert other cryptocurrencies from one to another. This has made the Binance DEX the biggest cryptocurrency exchange on the planet by volume and has helped fuel the popularity of the digital asset. Most importantly, the Binance DEX offers a discount to users who pay transaction fees on the exchange with BNB, a smart strategy that keeps users on the platform and helps sustain Binance's coins growth. Number 6, NEO. NEO. The cryptocurrency world remains a pretty small one. There are only a few names that truly ring a bell, and Da Honggai is certainly among them. He is a mind-blowing NEO, an open source community-driven platform that leverages blockchain technology to optimize the digital economy. The Genesis block resulted in 100 million NEO tokens. Investors received half of the tokens, and the rest remains locked into a smart contract. Every year, a total of 15 million tokens are released to fund long-term goals of the NEO development team. Since January 2019, the NEO token has nearly doubled from a $7.50 to the current $11. While this remains a rather risky investment, its low price makes it easy to accommodate on any portfolio. The market cap of this Chinese Ethereum is about $790 million. Number 7, Zcash, ZEC. Do you think Bitcoin offers you privacy? Think twice. Most cryptocurrencies out there can be tracked down to their owners by governments and companies. So, is the privacy dream over? Not exactly. Zcash is a shelter for those holders looking for outstanding privacy. Just like Bitcoin, Zcash has a total fixed supply of 21 million ZEC coins. Aside from its privacy capabilities, ZEC doesn't offer many other cryptocurrency assets like Bitcoin or Litecoin. Zcash was designed mainly for peer-to-peer value transfers. The price of Zcash is closely tied to the overall market performance. In 2019, this privacy coin reached a peak value of $112, a dynamic aligned with Bitcoin's mid-year rally. That said, if Bitcoin continues to develop positively, it's likely Zcash will follow. Number 8, Tron, TRX. This has been a year of extreme upheaval for the entertainment industry, leaving it ripe for disruption. This is exactly the sort of opportunity the founders of Tron must have been hoping for when they built a decentralized blockchain-based platform for sharing content. Whereas many of the biggest entertainment companies in the world profit from gathering and selling data about their users, using Tron leaves no such footprints behind. While it protects users, Tron also creates to monetize their content directly via Tronix, Tron's form of cryptocurrency. The platform has gained fame and notoriety in equal measure over the last few years due to the antics of Tron Foundation member Justin Sun. But no matter how you feel about him, it's undeniable that Tron is an ambitious idea, and while it isn't going to overthrow Netflix, ticker NFLX, tomorrow, it is an excellent speculative investment. Number 9, Chainlink, Link. The Ethereum platform is predicated on small contracts or agreements between two parties on blockchain network with a transaction recorded in blocks of data. The problem is that these transactions can only occur on a platform like Ethereum, and they need some way to draw real-world data into the platform in order to execute smart contracts when certain conditions are met. The solution is data providers called oracles, and while several crypto platforms have created ways for oracles to retrieve data from their network, Chainlink has come up with a reputation system that guarantees the data is accurate, ensuring the validity of small contracts. And once an oracle's data is verified, they are paid with Link, Chainlink's cryptocurrency of choice. This system builds confidence in the platform, and the growing popularity of decentralized finance, or DeFi, helps make Link a contender for best cryptocurrency. Number 10, Stellar, XLM. Stellar is one of the popular projects out there. It's been around since 2014, meaning its development is ongoing and it only keeps getting stronger. With a price that's counted on cents, it's also among the most affordable cryptocurrencies to invest in. Stellar, an open-source decentralized protocol for cross-border transactions, launched with a network consisting of 100 billion Stellar tokens. Tokens are now called Lumens, or XLM tokens. The ultimate goal of Stellar is to replace the SWIFT system, disrupting the global money market. Through XLM tokens, the Stellar network enables cross-border transactions between any currency pair. One distinctive characteristic of Stellar is that it serves as a backbone for other cryptocurrencies. This gives Stellar a huge opportunity to further develop itself and scalate. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like down below. That would help us out in YouTube's algorithm. We would really appreciate that. That's pretty much it, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, turn on the post notifications, and then we will send you a message every time we come out with a new video just like this one for you to make money online. So make sure you go do that and then enjoy your day.